complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday to mark the 7th martyrdom anniversary of popular youth leader Burhan Wani. Call for the shutdown has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference to pay glowing tributes to Burhan Wani and other martyrs of Kashmir freedom movement and supported by all pro-freedom leaders and organizations. Burhan Wani was martyred along with his two associates by Indian troops in a fake encounter in Kokarnag area of Islamabad on 8th July in 2016. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar appealed to the people of occupied territory to observe a complete strike on Saturday to convey a message to the world, particularly the United Nations, that the Kashmiris are offering unparalleled sacrifices for their right to self-determination, acknowledged by the United Nations through its several resolutions. He said that the 8th July would be observed as Yom-e-Tajdeed-e-Ahad to reiterate the Kashmiris' resolve to accomplish the mission of their martyrs at all costs. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman said that the shutdown is also aimed at letting India know that the people of Kashmir reject its illegal occupation over their homeland and they demand a permanent settlement of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with their aspirations. Burhan Wani was the symbol of fear for imperialist India and a hero of the Kashmiri people. The life, struggle, courage and steadfastness of this young shining star are a role model for the Kashmiri youth who are fighting for the liberation of their land from Indian occupation. Burhan Wani was an institution in itself who gave a new shape to the Kashmiris' liberation struggle, and he would be remembered as an icon of the Kashmir resistance movement. Kashmiris owe a debt of gratitude to hundreds and thousands of martyrs who sacrificed their youthful lives for freedom. It is these sacrifices that have brought Kashmir into international limelight. Burhan Wani will always be remembered as an icon of resistance and bravery in the annals history of Jammu and Kashmir. India will never succeed to suppress the Kashmiris' just freedom struggle through brutal tactics. Kashmiris, being custodians of the blood of martyrs, are determined to take the struggle for freedom to its logical end.